operation. Add and subtract complex numbers. So before I'm going any further, just let me write the general form of the complex number. The general form of the complex numbers is a z, we can write with a z, a plus bi, plus bi. So a represents the real part of the complex number, while bi is the imaginary part. B is a real, the coefficient b is a real number, while I is imaginary number. So now here let's try now to solve these problems. In A we have what is the sum of 4 minus 7i and minus 11 plus 9i. When we write those two terms, because we have the sum, and the sum, when we write the sum, we write 4 minus 7i, the first term, here the first complex number, and the second complex number, because it's a positive, so we write this second number in the way how it is. Whatever sign it has in the front of the real number, we write with the same sign, and whatever sign is in the imaginary part here, we write the same sign. So is a minus 11 plus 9, minus 11 plus 9i. And when we add them, we add real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. So real part is a 4, and for second number is minus 11. 4 minus 11 is a minus 7. And the imaginary part, minus 7i plus 9i is a plus 2i. So this is the sum of these two complex numbers. The sum of this in the part A, the sum of two complex numbers is a minus 7 plus 2i. Now we go on the B. What is the difference of 6 plus 8i and 2 minus 5i? When we have a difference, when we have a subtraction, the first complex number we write as 6 plus 8i. Because we have the difference to find, we have a second number. Before, in the front of the second number, we write a minus sign, 2 minus 5i. When we have a difference, we cannot write this in the same way like we did with the addition or with finding the sum. But we write the negative sign in the front, and we already know this negative sign has to distribute in the second number. And now the first number is 6 plus 8i. And negative sign we are distributing in the second number. Negative times positive is negative 2. And here is negative times negative is a positive. And is a 5i. Let me write this 5 little better, so 5i. And now again we add the real number with the real part of the complex number with the real part. 6 minus 2 is a 4. And the imaginary part is a plus 8 plus 5 is a plus 13i. So this is the difference of the two numbers in the question B.